Hello everyone, welcome back to Apple Bay. My name is Gonzalo, and in this episode I will show you how to remove the rivets on the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air with the Retina display. Those keyboards that are really difficult to remove the rivet, and everyone have hassle and don't know how to do it. I'll show you how to do it, and if you like, please subscribe. Right. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to take apart the machine. I'm not going to show you how to remove the battery. I'm not going to show you. I will show you how to remove the rivets. They are embedded and basically it's a nightmare to remove. You need to use one of this one, okay? Most of the people, they just keep pulling it. Some of them, they are cutting. Some of them are, I've seen people who are really try to even drill it on the chassis. And I found a way quite easy. It's kind of like the principle of the tool I'm been selling for the past 4 years. However, I'm not doing the tools anymore, so I give away this really helpful information. Right, we are ready to start. The tools we're going to need today is like a T5 screwdriver just to remove the trackpad. And we're going to need a flat screwdriver, a really flat screwdriver. It needs to be a quite good quality. I'll show you why it's quite important to be a good quality. And a small hammer, small, quite light hammer, not need to be like heavy duty. This procedure, everyone else knows what to do. You know, removing the trackpad, you have to take the screws, and also we have to take the speakers as well. Okay. I will do this bit quite quick. It's a bit boring, this bit, because everyone knows what to do. But the exciting part is just coming. So the cover of the trackpad, because that's on the way of the keyboard. Just pull apart this one. Take the magnet with the screws. Take the speaker. Okay, it looks like we need a T6 here. Maybe that was T4 and this is T5. I'm not sure. Usually I got all my tools lie down. This is not my everyday desk. This is a testing desk we use for testing machine when they are arriving and before they leaving, to make sure everything is work as it should be. Right. One speaker. Just use the magnet of the speaker to hold the screws. It's quite easy. No need to use another magnet. And two speakers. So now, at this point, we need to remove the backlight of the keyboard, because I'm planning to use the same backlight. Sorry. Just gentle, go all over the borders, all around the edges. Pulling gentle. Sometimes they rip a little bit. Sometimes coming nicely in one piece. It's not that important, but if you can do a nice job, it's kind of like satisfaction doing like the right way. Okay, there we go. And as you can see already, we've got like a liquid damage here. So let me see if I can zoom a little bit here. No, it's not happening. Okay. It's quite crunchy as well. Right, we have the keyboard cover, alias backlight. At this point, this is my preference choice. I never have any issue, so I will keep doing that way. I would like to open the screen, okay, and then hang on the edge. So if you punch through the keyboard or through the chassis, it won't damage the screen. We are here to fix problems, not to put more problems on the existing problem. Okay, now we start removing the keyboard. This is not exciting bit, but it's a bit I have to show you as well. Sometime, if we're lucky, we remove enough rivets. Okay, with those rivets, it's kind of like enough space to put again the keyboard, and it have, you know, enough to get firm. So the keyboard is kind of like okay, but sometimes most of the rivet they lose the head and they end with a slightly pin inside, and you cannot put the screw. And if you can't put the screw, the keyboard is not firm and not good. So very careful. Bear in mind, I did cut my finger before, so be careful when you open. Very gentle. Just keep pulling until all the rivets pop out. And it looks like in this case every single one is off. So it's not really much I can do with this video. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've been very lucky. All the rivets are out. So I'm afraid I can't show you anything. Let me see if I can find another chassis and show you. I'll be with you in a second. Okay, I managed to find another chassis with a damaged keyboard. I will do this on just for the purpose of teaching you what to do. Right, let me replace this one. This is, I gave you one of the boys to do it tomorrow, because basically this is ready to assemble the new keyboard. So no point for me to show you that. Luckily enough, all the the rivets that came straight away off when they removed the keyboard. Right, this is a 15-inch, I believe it's 2015 model, 15-inch retina, as I mentioned it earlier. Okay, and we're going to do it the same thing. We are going to remove the backlight. Okay. We're going to be gentle all around. If you struggle a little bit how to remove this one without breaking it, I suggest you to use a bit of alcohol or maybe a little bit of nail polish removal, acetone free if it's possible. Otherwise you start melting stuff around. Basically just pull this one. If it breaks, I don't really care, because I'm here to show you about the rivets. Ooh, this is nasty. Oh my god, this is yucky. I should wear gloves, but I'm not doing it tonight. Yucky. Oh, this is proper disgusting. Killer. Okay, there we go. not using it. It's a bit damaged anyway. It's all, you can see all the damage, like here. It's like really disgusting. Right, this is dead anyway. On the 2015 15-inch, we have screws as well. Sometimes we have screws on the edges, and most of the time we have 2 screws on the space bar. Let me bring a screwdriver. Okay. Oops. Almost done. Okay. 1 and 2. That is proper rust. I don't know if you can see. Focus. This is proper rust. Right, same procedure. Pull 1 or 2 rivets before you pull it. This is a bit harder to do it, so I'm not going to cut my fingers. I got a plier. There we go. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Keep pulling until all of them come in. Then, when you have a nice grip, make sure you press nice and hard. If you can wear like a leather gloves or something, like even better. Okay, that's better. It's big stuck here. I'll give you a little bit of persuasion with a plier. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is very yucky. Go to the bin straight away. Right, let me clean a little bit. So what we're doing today, I'll show you how to remove this rivet. Okay, it's very difficult to remove. Usually what people they do, they take one of these pliers and then they try to pull it out, but once you break the head, there's no way you can do it. So I discovered, I didn't say I invented, I discovered, because maybe someone else do it the same thing long ago, so I did that tool. I take a hammer, I put the screwdriver, the flat screwdriver, not that one, this one, I don't know, about 12 degrees or something like that, quite low to be fair. Okay, put it there, press a little bit and give me a whack. Boom, and the rivet is gone. Same thing, you do it again, put there, a nice whack. Boom, and the rivet is gone. Sometimes they need two little hits. 1, 2, and this is gone. Let me see if I can do it with the phone, so you can have a close-up. Okay, this is for today. That was my aim today, to show you how to remove this rivet. Remember, just put an angle, hit with the hammer. Don't go too top, too low. Basically, it's kind of like pushing it. After that, you will have the space to put the screws. If you got the, you see, you have the space now. You can put a screw. Keyboard will sit there comfortable, no problem at all. You don't need to glue. You don't need to do nothing else. It will be as firm as factory. It will be really good. If you like this video, please like and share. I will be very grateful. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.